Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. The topic of my presentation is industrial microbiology. First, we will see the content page, introduction, where it is applied, industrial uses of bacteria, industrial uses of yeast, industrial uses of mold. What is industrial microbiology? Microbiology is the branch of microbiology in which microorganisms used industrial processes, for example, in the production of high value products such as drugs, chemicals, fuel, and electricity. What are the uses of microbiology? Microbiology provides information needed to create vaccines and treatments for diseases. Biologists use microbiology to develop methods of combating illness. Companies often employ microbiologists to develop new products that kill bacteria and viruses. Why is industrial microbiology important? In industrial microbiology, microorganisms are particularly important to synthesize a number of products which are valuable to human beings and have profoundly changed our lives. These products include food additives products for human health and biofuels. Now we discuss uses of bacteria. Bacteria are used in industry in a number of ways that generally exploit their natural metabolic capabilities. They are used in manufacture of foods and production of antibiotics, probiotics, drugs, vaccines, insecticides, and enzymes. Fermentation processes such as baking and butter manufacturing. Chemical manufacturing such as production of ethanol, acetone, organic acids, enzymes, and perfumes. Pharmaceuticals such as the manufacture of antibiotics, vaccines, and steroids. Industrial uses of yeast. What is the industrial uses of yeast? Yeast have a wide range of applications, mainly in food industry and in biomass production. More recently, yeast has also been used in the biofuel industry and for the production of heterologous compounds. In food manufacturing, yeast is used to cause fermentation. Yeast is not only used in food industry to make bread, wine and beer, but also in non-food industry such as the biofuel industry to produce ethanol. What is scope of industrial microbiology? The scope of industrial microbiology is huge because of the involvement of microbiology in various fields such as pharmacy, medicine, clinical research, agriculture, dairy industry, water industry, nanotechnology, and chemical technology. Now we discuss the main features of industrial microbiology. It uses microbial sciences to drive industrial products. It involves manipulation of microorganisms to increase yield. Introduction to mutagens cause mutations in organisms. Real-world applications include enzymes, antibiotics, hormones, and amino acids. What are industrial uses of mold? Molds are important in most fermentation process involved in wine production and food production, citric acid for soft drink production, and some enzymes for bread making are used from molds. For example, Aspergillus niger is a mold. Thank you so much.